Let's go to Dollar Tree, do a shop with me, because the beginning of the year is when all of the new stuff for Valentine's Day comes out, and I might have bought a few things. So I'm going to show you what's new at Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day, plus anything else new that I found in a shop with me. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet with the very first Dollar Tree shop with me for the year of 2020. Very excited about this. Dollar Tree totally restocked literally overnight, it felt like, all of their Valentine's things for the upcoming next holiday. It's just a few weeks away, by the way, so keep that in mind if it feels a little too early. I did a little bit shopping, but not enough to show you a haul. I just bought some stickers that are all basically hearts and some tissue paper for gift wrap, but I did want to make sure that I showed you as much as I possibly could in a shop with me video. So I whipped out my camera, filmed a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm taking you with me. Since the Purple Alphabet generally focuses on educational activities, I'm going to stick to the kid related things. I'll show you a little bit of things that mom might like here and there, but for the most part, we do educational activities here on the Purple Alphabet. Lots of ideas and inspirations to learn through play. So subscribe, say hello down in the comments, talk to me, tell me what's new. Even if you're an old subscriber, you always know I love to hear from you. I'm always reading those comments. Now that we got through all of that, let's get to the shop with me. There's a lot of red and pink going on at Dollar Tree right now, and lots of good things. I cannot wait to show you everything that I found. We're gonna start off in the very first aisle where I found some arts and craft items, like these little tote bags that have pre-printed designs on them. They come with the markers that you fill them in. Not too fond of the markers they give you, but they are kind of cute bags. Here are the painting sets. These are always a favorite in our house. They come with the ceramic animal and then the paints and the paint brushes to go with it. This is a great 15-20 minute project when you just need some time. I really like these pom-pom kits. They're really cute and they're great for a classroom because they come with several in one packet. I saw 3 different styles. They're little pom-poms with little things that you adhere to them. They already come with the adhesive and you can make your own little Valentine cuties. These are really, really great, like I said, for the classrooms. I do adore these. Dollar Tree's been coming out with stickers that are kind of chipboard related. They look really, really nice, like you got them at Hobby Lobby. And then here are some really thin ribbons, which are great for packing up presents or making your own Valentine's box. I know a lot of you do that. And I'm not quite sure what to do with these LED lights. Where's Ramon at home when you need him? He would tell me exactly what to do with these. They did have a section of Valentine's gifts, which were just okay. There are a couple of signs here that had different sayings on them and different designs that you can hang up on your wall. They had a couple different designs that I wanted to show you. And then these fortune pins, they had a little fortune when you spin them or when you push the button and they spin around and tell you a different message. Found lots of those. They came out with a whole bunch of new photo album designs. I think these are great to put flashcards in for your kids, but you could also make them family memory books where you put pictures of your families so your toddlers can have familiar faces to look at. These frames are really nice. I dig the silver ones. I think they looked really great to put a photo in. And then they had a whole bunch of Valentine's-ish makeup sets, including false eyelashes, lip glosses. I don't know about the quality of any of these, but I wanted to let you know that they are there in case you wanted to try them. The eyelashes were really, really interesting. Here are some of that flip sequence stuff. They come in little pouches, and then they had little small heart pillows too. These little board books were kind of cute. I like this one, the counting one, the best because it counts all the way up to 10. So a toddler might like these. They are all board books. And then they have these cute little books that you could give to friends or to family members. And inside it has little devotions or little sayings inside. These are really cute. You can get these at Hallmark for much, much more. So I think that's a good value here. Here is a look at all of the decor that you can hang up. Many of it's the same as I've seen in years past. I wanted to show you a few favorites like this heart with the arrow. That would be cute on a door or a classroom door. And then of course these hearts right here, it's a row of 3 with different colors on each heart. I think this is adorable. And then they had your traditional Valentine's Day garland. Now I know a lot of you make your own wreaths and they had all of the mesh to do so and the tulle and all of the Valentine's colors, pink, red, white, and then the larger ribbon too. It looks like my store was just about sold out on all of the ribbon because it's such a great deal to get it here. Here's a couple of the signs that you can hang up and they look like you bought them at Hobby Lobby at full price. Really think those are amazing. And here are some Valentine's Day balloons, which make great gifts, and I like that these last forever. If you like to do one-to-one correspondence, these ice trays are perfect for a themed Valentine's Day one, or you can do them in a sensory bin. Same as for these containers too. They're little heart-shaped containers. Put these in a sensory bin. They're great for dumping, scooping, filling. Now's the time to buy doilies. They had lots of different selections. I bought one pack of these one year and it lasted me probably 3 or 4 years after. And then of course the table scatter is great for sensory bins. It's great for counters. Anything Valentine's theme. I have a set from several years ago that we still use today. They come in 2 different shades of pink. The confetti I think is new to me. I don't believe I've seen this before in the past, which is great for a table scatter. Here's a look at all of their plastic cups. These are good for holiday parties in a classroom, or you could fill them with candy and give them away as treats. I do like the designs they have this year. And then they also have these little straw mugs. Not the best quality on these, although they did have some cute designs on them. But I would have to say the little coffee mugs, I don't know if they're going to be okay enough for coffee. Coffee would be too hot, but these were much better quality than the other ones. Here's what you can wear for Valentine's Day. Lots of headbands with hearts on them, and of course Dollar Tree always has their holiday themed scarves. I kind of like these. These are beautiful. They're burlap sacks with hearts on them, and they had a whole bunch of other different treat bags too, your traditional plastic ones. This one right here is definitely my favorite pattern out of all of them. They come 22 a bag, or if you need a little bit more in smaller bags, they have these that come in 30 to a pack, and they had really cute designs. I like the Be Mine the best. Here's a look at their Valentines now. Very similar to Target Dollar Section 2, where you tear these apart and they have little figurines on them. They had different themes and dinosaurs. There was even one for yo-yos too. So you just tear them apart. They only come 6 for $1, so I'm not sure if that's worth it. I do like the painting sets though. We tend to get these a lot, and I like that they had some different styles this year. They come with the paints, the canvas, and a little canvas holder or a stand to put them on after you're done painting. This is a great Valentine or even just a Valentine Day craft that you can do, and you can get several designs and have the whole set. These are new to me. They're fortune cookies that have 10 fortunes inside. Here's a little bit about what each fortune says, and they're made out of kind of that foam material into fortune cookies. Thought that was pretty interesting. And of course, what is Valentine's Day without some cute fun stickers? So I'm just going to flip through these so you can get an idea of what they have. A couple of these sticker sets did come home with us, so plan on using them for our Valentines. I've tried these. They are scented stickers. They come 75 to a booklet, and there's 6 booklets in here. Great Valentine favor, party favor. And then here are some stickers that have the googly eyes and are holographic. Here's a couple more of those little books that I found. They had different styles, so there's quite a few of these there, so you'd have to kind of look through them to see if they'd make a great gift for you. But I think these are amazing. They look really, really well made. Here's a quick look inside of them so you can get an idea of how nice they really are. I like the Valentine's Day boxes too. These are great to put treats in or to put Valentines in and make your own mailbox. I think these are fabulous. A lot of cute sayings and designs on them too. And then sticker books. This is a great value. There are a lot of stickers in here. I think it is 18, is that right? Yeah, 18 sticker boxes, a couple different designs, and it shows you what stickers on there. There are mini stickers, so you should probably know that before you buy. And of course, you can buy the traditional Valentines. I'm not going to go through them all, but they had all the popular characters. $1 for the box. I really do like these notepads. I think they look really, really expensive. Just take them out of the packaging and wrap them up with a ribbon, and they'd be super cute to give as a Valentine to a little one. I especially like the heart ones. These are heart putties or slimes in the shape of hearts with some googly eyes, and of course keychains with flip sequins. We can't get away from that flip sequins ever, 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 ever. Very popular. This one's in 2 different colors, in the red and in the white. Valentine's Day pencils are also pretty popular this time of year, and they had several different styles and packs, so just look to see if there's one that you like. I kind of like the one with the conversational hearts myself. I think that one looks really cute. And then of course you have the erasers that you can go with that. And then this year I see they have the ballpoint pens, the mini pens. I kind of like the rocket ship ones. I think those are really cute. I love stampers, you guys. I usually buy these. We have a ton of them, so I didn't buy them this time. You can use those in a lot of different kinds of activities. And then of course the heart foam stickers are always popular at my house. They have adhesive on the back and you can just stick them right on. They have them the conversational hearts or just the colored hearts only. We brought home a package of the colored hearts. These notebooks, another great party favor. I like that they have different designs this year. So there's 8 inside of here, and you can hand these out as Valentines with a pencil or a pen. That would be super cute. And then these are new too. You color them in with the markers provided. They're made out of wood, but I would also suggest using some paint on these. That might be fun. And of course they have the Valentine's card, always a value at Dollar Tree. I wanted to point out that they have the Easter stuff out right now. I'm not going to go through all of this because we'll do an Easter video when the time comes, but just a little preview of all the things that they're putting out right now. I did get a little distracted by looking at these foam craft kits because look how cute they are, especially like that sheep, and then these cute felt bunny clips, adorable. Okay, can't get distracted, back to the other stuff. Here are the really cute fairy garden things this year, and I was actually kind of surprised at the selection. It seems to have grown. We had the traditional fairies and the gnomes and all the little pieces that you can put that were very similar to last year, but what was different this year is they had kind of a candy sweet theme. It was like a Candyland ice cream shop feel. It was a different color palette. Here's a little bit of the accessories that you can put inside of your fairy garden to switch it up. Thought this was very clever. It looked like it was made out of icing. And then they had little stands that you can put things on. And here are the little ice cream cone shop. Isn't this really cute? Lots of glitter, lots of pastel colors on all of these so you can switch up your fairy garden. They even had these trays that I thought were really cute that you can set things on if you don't have a garden. And they also had your vases that you can also make a terrarium type feel displayed down below. These sell out fast, guys, so if you want these, make sure you go check them out really quick. This time of year, they also put out all the organizational things, the bargain buys, that sort of things, all the new things to store all of your stuff in. And then they had some new containers. These are from the teacher section. They're storage containers that were a really good size. I love these for $1. They're not the best of quality, but you know what? I think they're worth it for the price. And they even had the clear, which was my favorite. This one came home with me. And a new container here. Inside it had a spot to put things like markers or larger items, pens and paper. And then in the top, there's an even smaller compartment where you could put like smaller things like erasers or glue. Here are the trays that I've always been raving about. If you want an activity tray, you can use these for arts and crafts. And of course, the counting chips are definitely worth it. I think I showed these on Instagram. I like the paper shapes, although I don't know what you could do with the hand paper shapes. I kind of miss the ones where they had the paper dolls. And then I wanted to point out they brought back the little readers too. These are great for reading and making sure to stay focused one line at a time. In the book section, not much new, but I did see these workbooks, coloring books, I guess, which would be great for a toddler preschooler. Nice big pictures that go over the numbers and counting. Great restaurant kit or a church kit activity book. And I also saw a new Spot the Difference book, but I really think these are really hard. This would probably be for an older child, maybe 8 or older, and they had a couple different styles in those. In the kids section, I found a whole bunch of new different types of games. They're all generic of popular games like these fishing games here. They also had the balance game. I asked on Instagram if you guys have tried these. Some of you said that they are good. Some of you said that they're great for traveling. I'm not sure, so if you have any experience with any of these new games, let me know. I'm kind of curious to know if they are worth $1 or not. And then these magnifying glass are also a new item to me, and I want to know if anybody's tried these as well, because these would be great for springtime activities, sensory bin, and exploration. A little bit of fun Transformers that I found. It's always nice to see name brands at Dollar Tree, so be on the lookout for that. And then these I have to rave about. We bought some and tried them, and they work great. They're stickers to go on your building blocks or your Legos to switch them up. They have different themes. Here's a police one, and you can really make some fun things with that. Imaginative play. They also had some new sets in the Legos where you can do farm animals. They had like fence building kits, and this one here, it had like trees, crops, feeding troughs. So just take a look at those if you want to expand your Lego set, including the brick tape or the block tape, which I'm not sure if this brand's really good, but this is a really fun item to have. We have some at home. I wanted to thank you guys a big time for my last video in which you supported me with some really great comments. I really do appreciate all of what you had to say. And I'm very thankful for all of you who are joining me on my Cricut crafting channel, which is brand new, doesn't have a video on it yet, but will soon, I promise, as I explore the Cricut Maker. So if you're interested in crafty things or what the Cricut Maker is, head on over to there to check it out. I'll put a little icon over here where you click and maybe go directly to the channel, or I'll have it down below in the description box too. You guys make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and give me a thumbs up to show your love.